My name is Jacinta Siracusa. I'm riding with my partner Nathan Hanna. On this 5-day road trip, we'll be following famous motorcycle roads throughout New South Wales, encountering some of the state's most spectacular vistas, stopping off to meet locals and having some fun along the way. Nathan and I are both ocean lovers, so we're excited to head to the Barrington coast and take in the waves of Diamond Head. There's something pretty special about an early morning at the beach. Nath wanted to go surfing, so we met up with Crowdy Bay local Belly from Endless Summer Surf School.
Yeah, so it's a fantastic little area to come to for beginners, intermediate, and also those surfers that are chasing a little bit more juice in the wave. Plenty of open beaches here, you can chase really good waves down. Also, fantastic area for the kids. Beautiful, clean beaches, beautiful environment, lots of fun.
After a fun morning at the beach, we're back on our bikes and on one of the last legs of our motorcycle trip. We can't think of a better way to end our journey throughout New South Wales than to take the scenic oceanside roads of the mid-north coast down to Port Stephens. There are countless beautiful stretches of sand and secluded swimming spots en route, but we're heading straight to the spectacular Stockton Sand Dunes in the Wauchope Conservation Land. Swapping 2 wheels for 4, we meet up with a local tour guide to go quad biking.
So guys, welcome to Wauchope country. Come and enjoy the quad bikes and come and enjoy our culture and sand dunes. It's a unique spot, you know, you have sand dunes all the way along the coast, but nothing like this.
Thousands of years old, this stunning sandscape is rich with culture.
So the Wauchope Conservation Lands are home to lots of beautiful sacred sites. We have our saltwater middens that are all throughout these sand dunes. So in these middens, there's lots of beautiful artefacts.
We don't often get the opportunity to explore our own backyard like this, so we're stoked. It's been incredible. We were constantly blown away by the countless awe-inspiring landscapes, the most scenic motorcycle roads, and the amazing hospitality of the towns we visited and locals we met. Head to visitnewsouthwales.com for more road trip content. And don't forget to subscribe to the Visit New South Wales YouTube channel.